Tonight, yes, it is night, because we stay up late like night owls on the weekend, because that's what we do. We are going to be making homemade slime. I know there is so many people out there that have so many different recipes. I'm just going to go for the most simple one. And we got our Bullrax, Elmer's glues, and I want to do glitter in ours. And we're going to make it look like Mutagen from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Yeah, and we're also going to make it pretty big.
Yeah, we're going to make a lot. So, without further ado, let's get started. we made. We got a little bit on the table. Some got on my son's shirt. That's why he doesn't have one on. And I don't know how to get it off because it doesn't come off that easily. But it is awesome. We used glue, Elmer's glue, borax, water, and we added some food coloring. That's about it. Oh, and glitter, which didn't really show up much, but that's okay. So, and it turned out so cool. I'm probably going to be playing with it more than him.
Hey, I
What?
wanted toys all the time, like my other cube. But it's not really solid.
Okay, anyways, thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video and
More importantly, subscribe.
be sure to subscribe. Got it that time. Thanks, guys.